Well, my undergraduate degree is in elementary education, and my master's degree is a master's of education with a concentration in exercise science. So my thesis project, I decided to do something that I was very interested in, and that is yoga. So I did a exercise training study on the twice-day practice of a sun salutation flow routine. Most of my friends and family know that I practice yoga, and they all say I should practice yoga more. I wish I could practice yoga, but I have to lift, I have to run, I've got to do all my other things. Where can I find time for flexibility training? So I started thinking, what kind of practice can be done in a short amount of time and have great results?
Hey, it's Amy here, and I just wanted to share with you my experience with a program called Shapeshifter Yoga. And just like every woman, I've never been completely satisfied with my body. I've never been overweight, but I needed something to reshape my body and make it more firm and more toned. And I've also been under a lot of stress lately, and you know how that goes. Work, kids, cooking, cleaning. I'm telling you, everything. And I just felt so tired, and I couldn't sleep, and I was nervous all the time, and I really needed a change. One of my good friends is a big fan of yoga, and I really love the idea, but I've never even done yoga in my life, and I didn't have time or money for expensive yoga classes, so I figured there has to be some different solution besides yoga classes. And you know, I was right. One night I came across this online program called Shapeshifter Yoga, and what it is, it's basically a digital program which you'll receive instantly, so you don't have to wait for days until it arrives, and you don't have to pay for shipping. So what I did, I went through some reviews, and they were all pretty good. Plus, this is awesome, it has an unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. So nothing to lose. If you don't like it, then you can get your money back right away.
Hi there, I'm here to tell you about how yoga has shaped my life and changed the way I feel and look. So I use the Chris Fondren's Shape-Shifting Yoga program, and I feel amazing. The things I can do now is so much fun. I love yoga, and you know, yoga is all about connecting with yourself, and when you connect with yourself, the slimming and toning effects are immeasurable. You can do so much, and you feel flexible, you feel amazing. You can, you know, hold balance, hold focus, and just pay attention to what really matters. So yoga has changed my life, and I'm sure it will change yours.
Yoga practice will focus on all body parts. Certain postures actually activate different systems of the body, improving digestion, the nervous system. Many people talk about a yoga butt, and there's many postures that actually help develop the gluteus maximus. For me, I primarily only do yoga. I lift very little. Just recently, as I'm 44 years old, and I'm feeling the need to maintain my bone density and doing weight-bearing exercises, but in general, I've just done yoga for the last 12 years. Everybody can benefit from yoga. It is something that, personally, I'd like to see the whole world.
What are you supposed to do next? It's really simple. So if you're looking for a complete step-by-step yoga program, which you can fit into your tight schedule, and which is also really, really easy to follow, then Shapeshifter Yoga is exactly what you've been looking for. After finishing the entire course, I feel awesome. I feel so much better. And it may sound a bit far-fetched, but I found some kind of inner peace, and it's wonderful. And I'm not nervous anymore. I don't do everything all sad. I'm more happy. My energy levels are over the roof, and no matter what's going on around me, I'm just really calm. I'm just really glad that I found this amazing program. So if you're interested in Shapeshifter Yoga and you want more information, then there's a link in the description which will take you to the official website. So please check it out. You will not be disappointed. It's really great. See ya.